Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a Saeco Exprelia with us in the shop. And it came in for issues with um, leaking water from the water circuit. It could be from three places. We originally thought it was from the blow down valve, which is located on the left side of your machine. But after talking with the customer for a little bit and kind of going through all the work that was done beforehand, we found out that it was actually just a brew unit that was malfunctioning. So here's your old brew unit here, and of course, if we open this door, on the inside we have a brand new one, straight from Saeco. So we're going to just quickly test, put in a shot. So now it's grinding, and it's going to start moving the brew unit into brew position. And now it's going to start brewing. And there you go. And now that it's brewing, no water is leaking into the counter or the tray or anywhere. I originally thought it was going to be the valve in the back, but that was also serviced and replaced. So it's just the original brew unit was not working properly. And then just to triple check, open this up, take this boy out. As you can see, coffee pucks looking good. You could probably go a little finer on the grinder. But yeah, that's about it. If you like this video or any of our other repairs on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.